In this video, I'll guide you through how you can easily switch to a professional account on Instagram in 2026. Step by step in the easiest way possible, guys. First of all, open up the Instagram app on your phone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android or an iPhone as well. Now you'd have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. After that, you'd have to scroll down all the way until you find an option of account type and tools in for professional section. Tap on it. Now you would have to click on switch to professional account on the top, and after that click on next. Now select any option that describes you the best. So I would click on digital creator. You can also choose if you want to display this badge on your profile or not. Then tap on switch to professional account, then hit OK. And after that it is saying me an error, so I will click on continue again, and let's hope it works. Then you would have to select creator and then hit next again, then hit OK, and now hit again. So you can receive promotional emails, then hit not now. Now you would get these 7 steps. You can explore them and solve them or do them one step by step to make your account more professional. Now you would get a professional dashboard that you can tap on and see your analytics and monthly report. If you found this video helpful, do me a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new tutorial. Thanks for watching.